Hello guys and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best app that its name is Quran Majeed. That best app that it has lots of facilities for those who want to read the Quran or who want to listen to Quran. So it's available in Play Store and App Store. So let's open it. Quran Majeed. So it has in the down button we can see it has different options. So we can play it like it need internet. So in the app of them it is the volume and airplay, the range repeat, the individual ayat repeat, the ayah delay, the playback speed, that how much it is speeded. So it's going to play it. So the another thing we can bookmark it. The thing that we can bookmark, we can see the list of the by surah, by date, and mostly used by finding the roots, the Al-Quran. Another thing, the voice, that would you like to access the microphone, that you can also do it. Would you like to access speech recognition? Yeah. So the another thing we have this option that it's going very good. So another thing we have the tajweed rules, the show the colors of the tajweed, that it's very making all the things specified. So we can also have the share, that we can share it, and also there's that the meaning of the Quran by the English. So the another thing is that the tips, and we have the prayer times, that all the times, and it gave us the notification like
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
We have the different types of the
Allahu Akbar, Allah.
I'm going to cancel it. So
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Al-Fasi all the times. So I'd like. So the next one we have the Qibla direct, that show us the Qibla, that where is the Qibla. It's very cool. The invite friends, Makkah live. The other thing is Medina live, masjids, the halal places, that when you go in another countries, you can find the halal places, and the Hijri converter. And the other thing we have the Quran engagement time, that yours this week's, that it show you that how minutes you read the Quran. And another thing we have the Sadqa Jariyah gift pool. So the other thing is recite the Quran whenever you can, even if it's a line or two. Read something every day. So it's very good. We can like it on the Facebook. There are lots of things. So the reciters, Sudays is my favorite. So it has Abu Bakr, Mahir-al-Muayqali, Mishari, Rashid, Abdul Basit, Mishari, Rashid, Saad, Ghamdi, Sheikh, Minshawi, and lots of the reciters. So we can also translate it to the Pashto, Persian, Russian, English, and lots of languages. So the tafsir is we have high tafsir, and it also have English Uthmani, Urdu Uthmani, Ibni Khatir, Al-Muyassar, Tabari, As-Sadi, Al-Baghwi. So the other thing is the Quran font, that we have different font. As you see that the font changing, the Mushaf Tajweed. The other thing is Mushaf, the Uthmanic. You see that it's changing. The another thing we have the side marks, page numbers, that allow that 50 lines. So the another thing, a cool thing, that we have the adjust size, that how much we want to adjust it. so I think 45 is enough for me. So we have also the themes, that any themes we use it, it's for free. So the classic green, the blue, the another thing is the light, the night mode, that is very beautiful, and the green. So the other thing, we have the select pages, and we have the more Islamic apps, that we have the Quran TV, visual Quran, Allah names, Hadith, Islamic themes, Quran and Islamic quiz. So the 3D Salah guide. Another thing we have in general, we have Sadqat Jariya, gift pool, certificates, contact us, notification, and another thing. So in the app we have the full features, so the about the Azan, and we have the settings, that the about the informations, that it has lots of information that we can word highlights. We have the Arabic surah, the reciter photos, the tafsir, the lots of them, and we can also download the English pictorial, or we can also download the reciters. And it's very good app for those who want to recite the Quran and who wants to pray. And it also shows the pray times that I also mentioned it. So I recommend all of you guys that download the app. It's the very good app. It's do all of your work. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and press the ring bell for more Quran apps that you like. I want to make more videos for Quran Majeed. Thanks for watching, guys.